Hello, welcome to this lecture video. So I'm teacher Melai. So in this video, we are going to introduce the different ways or several ways of proving. So we have direct proof, indirect proof, proof by specialization and division into cases, and mathematical induction. But in this video, we are going to consider only direct proof. So what is a direct proof? So it is a sequence of statements which are either givens or deductions from previous statements, and whose last statement is the conclusion to be proved. So in the coming up with an example, let us first consider this definition, the definition of what is an even and what is an odd number. So we say that an integer is even if it is in the form n is equal to 2k, and it is an odd if it is in a form 2k plus 1. So let us also recognize the reference material of the definition of the definition of direct proof. Now let us move to to example. So let's have an example. So if n is even, so is n squared. So we are going to prove this using the definition because it is a direct proof. So in doing this, we assume that n is even. So n is equal to, let's say, it is 2, let's use m, to m. And then substitute it, square both sides. So we have n square, so 2m square, and do some, of course, algebraic operation. So we have n square is equal to 4m square. So if we will bring out or factor out 2, so what is left inside is 2m square. We can actually let 2m square be equal to k. So by substitution, 2n square is equal to k. So by definition, n square is given. So this is an example of a direct proof. Thank you for listening.